If you want to dominate and get to page number one, exact match is one of the best bidding strategies long term. Now, exact match, this deep dive it's very precise. If you're launching a brand new product, I would not use exact match. I would be using broad match, but it is a great option for your listings. So if you're selling running shoes, you type in running shoes and you only show up for that keyword. If you sell tennis balls, somebody types in tennis balls, you show up for that order. If they type in tennis ball, you do not, right? So it's very, very specific. And since it's specific, if the keyword's not good, it won't be spending any money. So you're going to be using it if you know what keywords already work for your brand. You could just test out tons of keywords, but it might not do very well. You want it to be very strategic at the end of the idea. Now, here's some pros and cons. The highest relevance and conversion rate, once you have a good keyword that's exact match, it does way better than all of the other campaigns, in my opinion, because you isolate that keyword, right? If you find a really good keyword like yellow ball for dogs, and that was this keyword, and we targeted that keyword and nobody else did, or we're the main ones that are targeting that, we could get a really good ACOS, a really good spend. But again, we're not going to get tons of clicks because it's so specific. Now, there are three types of keyword matches for PPC. A broad match, and that's going to be super broad. It changes synonyms, misspellings. Phrase match, just think of that one thing in the middle. It's a little bit structured, right? But not super structured. And then we have exact match. And then my favorite, of course, is going to be exact match, but it's only going to do very well with ASINs older than 6 months. And by older than 6 months, I mean it's been running ads for at least 6 months in time. That way you have that built up data and you could utilize that data to really go full force, right? So just keep that in mind at the end of the day. It really depends on the product. It depends on your strategy, and it depends on what works for you. There's many ways to succeed on Amazon ads and on Amazon in general. If you do need somebody to help you on Amazon, you can feel free to contact us, EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.